Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, let's learn 15 festivals of India. Let's start the video. For watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe my channel. Firstly, Dasera. Second, Ganesh Chaturthi. Third, Holi. Fourth, one is Navratri and Durga Puja. So fifth one, Krishna Janmashtami. Sixth one, Makar Sankranti. Seventh one, Ram Navami. Eighth, Diwali or Deepavali. Ninth, Eid ul Fitr. 10th, Mahashivaratri. 11th, Yugadi. 12th, Mahavir Jayanti. 13th, Raksha Bandhan. 14th one, Karwa Chauth. 15th. The last one is Pongal. So these are the 15 festivals of India. If you liked my video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Meet you all in the next video. Bye bye children.